We are here with 96 Lost,
Yes, sir.
with his Land Cruiser. It's finally here. We have the name behind 96 Lost is done. So he has been telling me every day, "Man, I want to bring my car for you to build it, fully build it, and every single day." And then every day you're having trips.
Yes.
Every he is never free. So he has never been free.
Yeah.
But you're finally here, and now let me leave it to you to explain the problems of the car.
Yes. Yeah. So I've been traveling with this car for a few years, and most of the time I've been doing small fixes here and there. But time has finally come to do some tender love and care. So the engine needs a lot of tune-up. It's become very lazy. The paintwork also, you can see the paint is a little bit off. Yeah, so I'll be doing that. There are a lot of things on the drivetrain we need to do, like diff locks and stuff. Yeah, it's.
What about the leaks?
Yeah, there are leaks. So there's a leak on my fuel lines and on the oil. So that will be part of the fixes. And yeah,
Suspension. So we're going for a proper 4x4 suspension. Yeah, you see the suspension here is currently, especially you can look at the sag, the way the
so
the
there's a
car is
sag on the
slanting at the back.
Yeah.
So we don't want that. So we want a full, a full rebuild, and we will make this car a proper off-roader, a proper Land Cruiser 4x4, so that 96 Lost can continue with his journeys and give us the amazing content that you always give us out there.
So yeah, so we'll be taking a short break from the content and doing the build, and we'll also be documenting this and showing what everything that goes into the upgrade and the fixes that we need to do.
Stay tuned, guys.